Dear students, welcome back to maths class. In today's session, we will discuss about the area related to circles and we will do the questions related to the area and the circumference of the circle. So students, here we have the formulas that we will use today. Area of circle is equals to pi r square and circumference of circle is the 2 pi r, where r is the radius of the circle. So students, by using these two formulas in today's session we will do exercise 15.1. So let's start with question number 1. Find the circumference and area of circle of radius 4.2 centimeter. Okay, in this question we have to find the circumference and the area of circle, and here radius is given. So radius is 4.2 centimeter and the formula of circumference of circle is 2 pi r. So students, by using the values, 2 into value of pi is 22 over 7 and radius is 4.2. So here we get 2 into 22 44 divided by 10 into 6, because 7 to 6 will cancel, 7 6 are 42, and here decimal will be right as 1 over 10. In this way we get 26.4 centimeter. This is the circumference of circle. Now next is the area of circle. Area of circle formula is pi r square. Value of pi is 22 over 7 and radius is 4.2. So in this way we get 4.2 into 4.2. By calculating this we get 22 over 7, 42 over 10, 42 over 10. Okay, by cancelling this we get 5544 over 100. In this way answer becomes 55.44 square centimeter, because here we have 100 in the denominator, then we place decimal after two digits. So in this way our answer is 55.44 square centimeter. Now we have next question number 2. Find the circumference of a circle whose area is 301.84 square centimeter. In this question, we have area of circle, but we need to calculate the circumference. So students, here we required the value of radius. So for radius, we solve. Here area of circle is equals to 304.84 square centimeter, and let radius be r centimeter, and formula of area of circle is pi r square. Now by using the first and second we get pi is 22 over 7. By doing the cross multiplication we get 301.84 multiplied with 7 divided by 22. Here by taking the square root on the right hand side we get here the ordered pair 7 into 7 comes out, and in under root we have 301.84 into 7 over 22. By calculating this, making factorization, we get the value 9.8 centimeter. So in this way students, we get the radius 9.8 centimeter. Now formula of circumference of circle is 2 pi r. So by using the values of pi 22 over 7 and radius 9.8 centimeter, we get 61.6 centimeter, your answer. So this is very easy question. Next question we have, find the area of circle whose circumference is 44 centimeter. In the previous question, area of circle is given and we need to calculate the circumference. Now in this question, we have circumference is 44. We need to calculate the area of circle. So circumference of circle is 44 centimeter. Let the radius be r centimeter and formula of circumference is 2 pi r. So here value of pi is 22 by 7. In this way we get r is equals to 44 multiplied with 7 over 2 into 22. So here we get the radius 7 centimeter. Now area of circle formula is pi r square and value of pi is 22 over 7. Radius is 7 and here we have square, so we will write radius 7 two times. So by calculating this, 7 to 7 will cancel and 22 into 7 we get 154 square centimeter. So students, in this way today we have completed 3 questions of exercise 15.1. Okay, so students, all of you are requested to maintain your notebook properly. So if you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching the complete video.